So how to install Panda Express app? So just tap get, and then you'll just double click to install, and then you'll just be able to install this app. So here you can see you can get some pretty cool rewards just in this app. Order your Panda favorites on the fly for dine-in, takeout, or delivery, and you can earn Panda points when you satisfy your Panda cravings. Join Panda Rewards and earn Panda points with qualifying purchases by ordering in the app or scanning your QR code in the store in the drive-thru. So get surprise offers and use your Panda points to unlock more rewards and redeem them for your Panda favorites. So if you like some brand, it's a really good idea sometimes to use the app, because only in apps sometimes you can just get some really good discounts and deals. However, this seems to be like only US based app. So at the moment, just try out this app and then get it on iPhone. It's available. It's quite high in the charts right now, so probably they just have pretty good deals. So try to install it, and then you can just get some deals.